Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing good. I have this window cling and it's not sticky really on the bottom. This is not a sticker. It clings to the window. So I figured I'm trying it with resin, and if this sounds interesting to you, just come along. From a previous project, I had this pink resin left over and I poured it into the rim of this tray mold. And this is the color scheme that I'm keeping for this project. I'm cleaning up my mold from some debris and yeah. What I'm going to do next is I'm taking my chunky glitter and not putting it into the resin, but pouring it right onto the mold. I want to achieve that the whole surface will be covered with the same amount of glitter. And if you mix your glitter into the resin, sometimes it's not really spread out. And this is what I wanted to prevent by putting the glitter in first and not into the resin. Now what's left to do is pouring the resin in. I'm pouring it onto my stirring stick to prevent that the glitter will escape from one spot where the resin gets on top of it. As you can see here, the glitter that is too much in the mold will float to the top and everywhere else, but I don't mind that because the rest of it will stay just where I put it. The resin is hard now, and I'm checking out my designs that I have there, which one will fit by color and by size. And the good thing about those window clings is that you can cut them to size, to any size that you need. And you can try out whether you like this design or that one. So I want to use this spray glue that I have there in that can, and because I don't want it to go all over the place, I'm taping up my edges on that little tray. So yeah, I don't want to clean up, and that's why I do that. So this is a really cheap spray glue, and I'm just spraying it on top of it. And what I did, I put way too much on there, and it was like liquid, not like a thin film on top of this piece. And when I put the window cling down, it rolled up. So because it was so wet, and the alcohol in that spray adhesive was kind of doing something wrong. And as you can see here, I'm dabbing some of the glue off because I put way too much on there. But if that happens to you, don't worry. Just let it dry a little bit and then the pieces will lay flat again. So this is the first time I'm doing this, and this is why I made some of the mistakes along the way. So here you can see the window cling rolled upward. So I just let it dry a little bit, and then I put it back down, and then everything is just fine. It works a dream, really. Just don't put too much glue on top of it, and it will stay in place. So most of the glue has evaporated already by this time, and now you can see that when I put my cling film down, it will stay in the place where I put it without rolling up. The last step that we have to do is we have to pour some resin on top of the window cling so it's sealed up and it will have a nice shine. And this is what this project is. Now we're ready. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. I'm always loving hearing from you, and yeah, I get back to you as soon as I have time. Thank you for that, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.